In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, how are you today?
Fine.
Geniuses are fantastic today. Wish you all the very best of luck and have a good day as well. We're going to start the class today with some more reductions. And today's keywords is going to be the last lecture about reductions, lecture number 10. So there are 5 major reductions today. Out of order. Out of order. See you, see ya. See you, see ya. Out of, see you, see ya. That's great. Thank you. Tell them, tell them, tell them, tell them. That's great. And the fourth one is much of, much of, much of. And wants to. So these are very important reductions which we have introduced today. It's going to be the last lecture, lecture number 10 regarding reductions, and we're going to use all the reductions in wonderful sentences. You guys and girls are going to give me assistance while making sentences. हमारे व्यूअर्स भी ज्यादा से ज्यादा सेंटेंसेस से लुत्फानंदोज हो सकें और उसको सीख सकें. More than enjoying them, they must learn how to use these reductions in various sentences. All right, so let's get started. Out of, एक तो है out of order, एक होता है out of के लिए, एक होता है O-U-G-H-T-A, वो out to, O-U-G-H-T T-O or out to oughta, should की sense में. So these are two different things. Oughta means out of and oughta means should. Out ought to के लिए भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So these are two different things. We have read about one already जो should के meaning में है. आज हमने out of के लिए oughta इस्तेमाल करना है. So let's take some examples. The first example, you go out of this building first. किसी को instructions देने के लिए आप कहते हैं आप इस building से पहले आप बाहर जाएं. And then the further instructions. Let's get some more sentences, please.
Get out of my way.
Sorry?
Get out of my way.
That out of my way, ये मेरे रास्ते से बाहर है.
Are you out of mind?
I oughta.
Mind.
I'm out of mind. I'm out of mind. ज़हन काम नहीं कर रहा है. ज़हन खाली है. Out of mind right now. Okay?
I'm out of patience with her.
I'm out of patience with her. सबर नहीं उसके साथ आ रहा. Right?
We are running out of money.
We are running out of money. हम पैसों से बाहर हो रहे हैं, मतलब पैसे कम पड़ रहे हैं. शॉर्टेज हो गई है. जी.
The artist is out of inspiration for the painting.
The artist is out of the inspiration for the painting. Wow.
The train is out of service.
The train's out of service. ये train service में नहीं है और artist inspiration में नहीं है. All right.
She's out of excuse for being late.
She's out of excuse. खत्म हो गए हैं सारे उसके बहाने लेट आने के.
The magician pulled a rabbit out of the hat.
The magician pulled
the rabbit out of the
Oh my God, magician ने अपने hat से rabbit निकाल दिया. वो कबूतर वाला निकालते हैं magicians, you know. Right, so the magician pulled a rabbit out of the hat this evening. All right, very good. Outer. The next keyword is see you, see ya. Where are you? आप कहाँ हैं? I can't see ya. मैं आपको देख नहीं सकते. Can't see ya. All right, see ya.
We are looking forward to see you.
We are looking forward to see ya. हम आपसे मुलाकात के मुंतज़िर हैं. Very good.
We hope to see you again.
We hope to see ya, not see you.
Yeah.
We hope to see you again sometime in the future. All right, कहीं मुस्तक़बिल में मुलाकात क्या इरादा है?
I'll see you after a while.
I see you after a while. आपसे मुलाकात करती हूँ after a while, थोड़ी देर के बाद.
I'm thinking of coming to see you.
I'm thinking of coming to see you. मैं सोच रही हूँ आपसे मुलाकात करने के लिए.
I'm surprised to see you out here.
I'm surprised to see you out here. हम यहाँ मिल के आपसे बहुत अजीब लगा है. Surprised, हैरान हुआ हूँ.
She'll be happy to see you.
She'll be happy to see you. आपसे मुलाकात करके बहुत खुश होगी. Right.
To see you happy in my wish.
Sorry?
To see you happy in my wish.
To see you happy is my ultimate desire of life. आपको खुश देखना मेरी सबसे बड़ी खुशी है, मेरी ख्वाहिश है.
It was great to see you again.
It was great to see you again. आपसे दोबारा मिलके बहुत खुशी हुई. शाबाश. The next one is tell him, tell them, tell him, tell him. उन्हें बता दीजिए. Tell him, tell them, tell him, tell her, tell her. इसको भी इस्तेमाल कर सकती हैं. So tell him to come back again. उन्हें बता दीजिए कि आप वापस आ जाइए. Tell him they are all forgiven. उन तमाम को माफी मिल गई है. Tell him, right? All right, tell him.
What do you want to tell him?
What do you want to tell him? Tell him. आपने क्या बताना चाहते हैं?
Tell him you have any mistake.
Tell him.
You do any mistake.
Tell him if you have done any mistake. अगर आपने गलती की है तो उसको बता दीजिए उनको. जी, दुनिया को बता दो. Right.
Tell him that English language at Guinness Institute Lahore has been a positive experience for you.
और tell him, ज्यादा को बता दो. Tell him, एक लड़के को बता दो. Tell her, इस खातून को बता दो. English language has been a positive impact on my personality grooming. All right?
Don't forget to tell him how games can improve your problem solving and critical thinking skills.
Oh my God, what a wonderful sentence. Critical thinking. Tell him how online games can, help them in problem solving and critical thinking. All right. So tell him, all right. The next word is going to be, apart from tell him, much. It's much a surprise for me. ये काफी मेरे लिए हैरानी की बात है. Much a surprise for me.
She has much a talent for swimming.
She has much a talent for swimming.
I have much a respect for my teacher.
I have much respect for my teachers, for all the elders, for my parents, for all the elders. Regarding, maybe they are वो हो सकते हैं आपके भाई बहन बड़े या कोई और बड़े आपसे. Right.
We had a much of fun in exploring a new city.
We had much of fun in exploring a new city. एक नए शहर को एक्सप्लोर करने में काफी मजा आया हमें.
Much of my motivations come from setting goals and working to achieve them.
Oh my God! Setting goals and working to achieve them. Wow!
We had matcha lotter during our family gathering.
We have matcha lotter. What? We had matcha lotter.
Lotter. LAUGHTR.
Louder.
Yeah.
All right. Any more sentence, please?
He has determination to achieve his goal.
He has much determination to achieve his goal. Shabash.
He has much knowledge about Asian history.
He has much knowledge about ancient history.
Thank you so much help for you.
Thank you so much for much of a help. Yeah, thank you very much for much a help in this regard. Okay, great. Much. The next one is the last one. Is going to be wants to. आपने want to तो सुना है. Want to, wanna. For example, आप present indefinite tense की जब बात करती हैं तो I want to, I wanna, we want to, we wanna, you want to, you wanna, they want to, they wanna. सिंगुलर के साथ और प्लूरल के साथ आप लगाते हैं. जब आप प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट्स में ही और शी के साथ करेंगे, इनफॉर्मल, लो प्रोफाइल, क्लोकविल इंग्लिश में चल जाएगा अगर आप उसको वाना भी बोलेंगे. लेकिन जो उसका बहुत ही आइडियल यूज है तो ही के साथ वॉन्ट्स, चूंकि आप एस या इसके इजाफा करते हैं अगर प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट्स में, अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट ही, शी, इट या सिंगल नेम हो, सो आप उसके लिए वॉन्ट्स, ही वॉन्ट्स, शी वॉन्ट्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. और राइट, ही वॉन्ट्स टू बी अ डॉक्टर व्हेन ही ग्रोव्स अप. वो डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है जब वो बड़ा होता है. तो शी वॉन्ट्स टू गो होम नाउ, शी वांना गो होम. इट कुड बी ऑलराइट इन colloquial, low profile, spoken English. लेकिन ज़्यादा exact brilliant expression कौन सा है? According to the grammatical rules, she wants to go home now. वो अभी घर जाना चाहती है. She wants to. All right, please. Sentences from your side.
We wants to try that.
We wants to नहीं करेंगे. He wants to. She wants to.
He wants to try that new restaurant.
He wants to try out that new restaurant.
She wants to borrow your book.
She wants to borrow your book. वो आपकी बुक को borrow करना चाहती है.
He wants to play outside.
He wants to play outside. घुटन हो रही अंदर. बाहर खेलना चाहता है कहीं.
She wants to watch TV tonight.
She wants to watch TV tonight. Yeah, he wants to watch TV tonight. वो आज रात टीवी देखना चाहता है या चाहती है. शाबाश.
She wants to eat ice cream.
She wants to eat ice cream. वो आइसक्रीम खाना चाहती है.
My father wants to buy another house.
My father wants to buy another house for the second wife. Okay. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Yes, please.
My boss wants to complete work as early as possible.
My boss wants to complete work as early as possible.
My wife wants to go shopping with me.
My wife wants to go shopping with me. All right. पेश जब फहरिस्त की बेगम ने शॉपिंग की मुझे मैं समझता था कि होगी वो निहायत मुख्तसर. खोल कर वो जब पड़ी तो इस कदर लंबी सी थी नील के साहिल से लेकर ताबका के काशगर. All right. So, all right. You please.
The company wants to launch a new product.
The company wants to launch a new product. कंपनी एक नई प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करना चाहती है.
He wants to improve his coding skills.
He wants to improve his coding skills. Excellent, relevant sentences. Thank you very much indeed. Once again, everybody, you have really done a bit of justice by making sentences. Or everybody would like to learn everything. You know, lots of viewers are watching our videos, and I will request everybody to like, share, and comment. Like, comment, and share this video. Thank you very much indeed. I will be, inshallah, seeing you shortly in another video. Soon we're going to start Back to Basics series. Until then, God bless you all. Take care and bye-bye.